My life, my life, my life, my life. My life,
Source Productions.
My mind was too sensitive, speaking poetic justice. My justice system, my living already gone and been fucked with. Crooked cops, outlaws, I done been through it all. Chosen as the fallen victim in the west side brawl. I'm piping and cheaping, they're asking me if I'm breathing. When they can't push and shoving, asking haters what's beefing. My life, sleeping the rhymes, always taking my time. Go fast, go slow, wicked mighty, I don't know. I got my life in my hands, to myself I think quiet. Why should I strive to live the right life? Being a rebel felt easy, no worries and no sorry. No one to give a damn for the whole new glory. Religion never affected the ways I live my days. In my heart, I felt no pain, no public tears or cheers. This world's a twisted mind by one step wrong step. Blowing all your ass, man, my life is just a test. One life, one chance, I'ma take what's mine. Too many snakes trying to take my life. Trying to take my life.
Source Productions.
One life, one chance, I'ma take what's mine. Too many snakes trying to take my life. Trying to take my life.
Source Productions.
You hear the laughter of death, the snakes are after my breath. The fakes work for the feds, I'ma work till I'm dead. I spit these words from my head, I'm trying to ball, but they wanna see me fall instead. Life is too precious, life is short, there is no extensions. There is enemies in all directions. I have my fist, but the Lord is my protection. I stay away from the shadows, cause when you least expect it, there is shit you can't handle, and things get hectic. Evil resurrected, not wanting you to succeed is its intentions. I didn't have shit, now my words are invested. My style is impressive, I'm a MC not to mess with. My skin is brown like the rabbit from Nesquik. I spit the best shit, writing the next hit. Hip hop is my life, fuck you if you don't respect it.
Let me have everyone's attention.
Hip hop is my life, fuck you if you don't respect it.
Also, did I mention
Hip hop is my life, fuck you if you don't respect it.
I'm from Texas and
Hip hop is my life, fuck you if you don't respect it.